Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the second day that I am doing my diet thing, and it is extremely hard. I'm actually starving right now, and I want to cry, literally. But yeah, it's really hard. Like I just want to give up and be like, forget this. I'm about to eat. But it's hard, you guys. But you can do it. I'm not gonna give up. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make keto avocado. I'm really not good with like diet foods or really familiar with them. All I pretty much know is like cereals and yogurts and granola bars and crackers but yeah, so I'm gonna try this and see how it goes. Alright, so this is all you need to make keto avocados. You need some limes, some lettuce, or you can use romaine. I had leftover salad bags, so I'm just going to use that. Avocado, I got some sea salt, some pepper, and you can fry bacon or use any kind of bacon that you want. I just got these jalapeno crumbles. It's really easy, so let's put it together. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to get my avocado. I'm going to slice it in half. Then I'm going to remove the pit from the middle. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave this avocado whole. No, I'll do this one. And I'm going to scrape all the inside of this one out into a bowl. Then I'm going to mash it. Alright, as you can see, I got my avocado mashed up here. So I'm going to add some lime in that. I'm going to add my lettuce. Not too much because I have only half of avocado. So then I'm going to add my bacon bits. And sea salt. And some pepper. That's what we got. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in here. That's pretty much what it is, guys. I like avocado, so this will give it a lot of flavor also. And there you have it. That's keto avocado. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. And I'll see you on the next video.